Depositions, one of the best discovery tools you can use to investigate your case. A deposition is a question and answer session in which a party may ask questions under oath of its opponent or other witnesses.
What I find works best is to be nice and comforting. Get the person to be comfortable speaking with you as if you're having a conversation.
We'll be covering the ins and outs of depositions, the advantages and disadvantages, provide in-depth tips and pointers as to how to prepare for your deposition, and how to make a great witness on your own behalf. If you ask the deponent if anything would refresh their recollection, such as seeing a document, and they tell you that it would, you could use a document to refresh their recollection. Depositions are an art, and although anyone can ask questions, it'll take some thought and strategy to ask the right questions in the right order.